What's up, Kia 2 Technical? I'm back again with another video, and as you can see, the kind people over at CaseBorne by Armadillo Tech was kind enough to send me out a case for the S24 Ultra. This is a dummy unit, but we have the CaseBorne series, the CaseBorne S series, and this is the clear. This is one of their new cases, so let's unbox this and see what we get. And I'm gonna already say I'm liking the way this looks already and feels. You know, I'm a sucker for a clear case. And you also get your cleaning wipes, because this also comes with 2 screen protectors, so that is good, because you know a lot of people pre-order their devices and pre-order cases, screen protectors, so when their device come in, you already have screen protector in the case. You don't not have to worry about trying to scramble to look for a screen protector, because it comes included. This really does look good already. It feels good in the hand too. It's MagSafe capable. You have the different cutouts for your camera. You do get some ridges for grip protection. So now let's pick up the S24 Ultra dummy and let's throw it in like so. And this is the look you're gonna get from CaseBorne with their clear case for the S24 Ultra. You do get a nice lip, so if you drop your phone flat down on the table, I know you'll be good to go. Just double it up with the screen protector for better protection. You do get nice buttons. They're nice and clicky. Power buttons, nice and clicky. Volume up and down buttons, nice and clicky. You do get, like I said, these ridges. This is for grip protection. You get access to a lanyard if you want that. You do have a nice access for your USB-C charging port. Speaker. Looks like you'll be able to get in there and get your S Pen out pretty good with no problem. Down this side, you just get those ridges for grip protection. If you come over here and turn it to the back, you get the MagSafe capable ring. Then you get different cutouts for your camera. And if you drop your phone flat down on the back of the cameras, you have nothing to worry about. But overall, this is a nice looking and feeling case, and like I said, I'm a sucker for clear cases. I'll make sure I drop a link in the description to where you can go pick this case up for yourself. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. I'm out.